Hey, Cherry on Top family. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the latest news and trends. Today, we're talking about something incredible that has just rocked the YouTube world. None other than Cristiano Ronaldo has set a Guinness World Record for the fastest subscriber growth on YouTube. That's right, CR7 isn't just dominating the football field, he's now conquering the digital world too. Let's get into the details of how Ronaldo achieved this mind-blowing feat and what it means for his fans and the future of YouTube. Let's go. 1. Who is Cristiano Ronaldo? Before we dive into this new record, let's quickly recap who Cristiano Ronaldo is, not that he needs much of an introduction. Ronaldo, also known as CR7, is a Portuguese professional footballer widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. With a career spanning over 2 decades, Ronaldo has won numerous titles, including 5 Ballon d'Or awards, 5 Champions League trophies, and a UEFA European Championship with Portugal. He is known for his incredible athleticism, iconic goals, and a work ethic that's second to none. And now, he's adding a YouTube record to his impressive list of achievements. 2. Ronaldo's entry into the YouTube world. Ronaldo launched his official YouTube channel earlier this year, and the response has been phenomenal. The channel offers fans a behind-the-scenes look at his life, including his training routines, personal life, and insights into his football career. But what really took the internet by storm were his live streams, exclusive interviews, and interactive content, where fans could directly engage with the football superstar. The channel's variety, from motivational content to fun challenges with his family, kept viewers hooked, contributing to its rapid growth. 3. The record-breaking moment. Now, let's talk about the moment that broke records. Within just a week of launching his channel, Ronaldo amassed a staggering 10 million subscribers, and it didn't stop there. The numbers continued to climb at an unprecedented rate, reaching 20 million in just 2 weeks. This explosive growth caught the attention of Guinness World Records, who quickly recognized it as the fastest subscriber growth ever seen on YouTube. This achievement isn't just impressive, it's historic, setting a new benchmark for all content creators. 4. Why did Ronaldo's channel grow so fast? So, what exactly contributed to this record-breaking growth? First, Ronaldo's global fanbase is enormous. With over 600 million followers on social media platforms, he had a ready audience just waiting to subscribe. Second, the content he offers is unique and exclusive, something fans can't get anywhere else. Third, his team employed strategic marketing, including teaser trailers and collaborations with other popular YouTubers and influencers, to maximize reach. Finally, Ronaldo's personal brand, built on excellence, ambition, and authenticity, resonated with viewers, driving them to hit that subscribe button. 5. What this means for YouTube and other creators. Ronaldo's achievement has implications for the entire YouTube community. For YouTube, it's a validation of the platform's power to reach massive global audiences, even beyond traditional YouTube stars. For other creators, it's a reminder of the potential for rapid growth if you can tap into a strong, passionate fan base and offer unique content. It also highlights the crossover appeal of celebrities from different fields entering the digital content space. This could open doors for other sports stars, musicians, and actors to explore YouTube as a platform for direct engagement with their fans. 6. Ronaldo's influence beyond football. Ronaldo's YouTube success is another testament to his influence that extends beyond the football pitch. He's not just an athlete, he's a brand, a role model, and now, a digital influencer. His channel is inspiring millions, showcasing not just his athletic prowess but also his values, hard work, dedication, and the pursuit of excellence. For many, Ronaldo's journey from a small-town boy to a global superstar symbolizes hope and the power of perseverance. 7. What's next for Ronaldo's YouTube channel? So, what's next for Ronaldo's YouTube journey? With such a strong start, the possibilities are endless. We could see more exclusive content, perhaps deeper dives into his training regimen, collaborations with other sports legends, or even more interactive sessions with fans. Ronaldo has also hinted at using his channel to promote charitable causes, leveraging his influence for good. Whatever comes next, one thing's for sure, the world will be watching. And that's a wrap on today's video about Ronaldo's incredible new Guinness World Record. If you're as amazed as we are, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Cherry on Top for more exciting content. What do you think about Ronaldo's new venture into YouTube? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.